Discover the Tefal Infrared 2.0 Air Fryer, your ultimate kitchen game changer. This innovative appliance combines 8-in-1 functions with an extra-large 7-liter capacity, all powered by advanced Infra-Heat Technology. Prepare to enjoy faster, juicier, and crispier results with every meal you make. Experience revolutionary cooking with Infra-Heat Technology. This powerful feature heats up twice as fast as traditional methods, meaning you can say goodbye to long preheating times. Get your meals started quicker and enjoy delicious food in record time, making your cooking process more efficient and convenient. Our unique dual heating design ensures culinary perfection every time. With infrared top and bottom heat, your food achieves a delightful, crispy outside while remaining incredibly juicy inside. This even cooking guarantees consistent, mouth-watering results, transforming everyday meals into gourmet experiences. Monitor your culinary creations effortlessly with the built-in window and light. Now you can check your food's progress without ever needing to open the air fryer, preserving heat and ensuring perfect cooking conditions. This thoughtful feature adds convenience and precision to your cooking. Cleaning up after your delicious meal is a breeze. The basket and removable tray are completely dishwasher safe, making effortless cleanup a reality. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your culinary masterpieces and precious moments with family. Navigate your cooking with ease using the intuitive digital controls. Choose from 8 versatile presets: air fry, roast, broil, reheat, toast, bake, dehydrate, and crispy finish. These simple and intuitive controls put a world of culinary possibilities right at your fingertips, making gourmet cooking accessible to everyone. Whether you're air frying crispy snacks or dehydrating fruits, the perfect setting is just a touch away. With its generous 7-liter capacity, this air fryer is perfectly sized for family meals. It can comfortably fit up to 6 chicken thighs, ensuring there's enough delicious food for everyone. Prepare large batches of your favorite dishes without compromise, making mealtime simple and satisfying. Go from frozen to perfectly crisp in minutes, achieving fast, golden results every time. Enjoy all the crunch you love with significantly less oil, eliminating the guilt. This means healthier, delicious meals that don't compromise on taste or texture, giving you the best of both worlds. The Tefal Infrared 2.0 Air Fryer boasts a compact design, measuring 16.64 inches in length, 10.77 inches in width, and 12.7 inches in height, fitting perfectly into any kitchen space. Upgrade your cooking experience today and transform your meals with unparalleled speed, convenience, and delicious results. Don't wait. Bring home the future of healthy cooking. Please click like and subscribe.